you can use the Find and Replace tool with the shortcut Control F. Here you've got the Find tab, and here you've got the Replace tab. So I'll be referring to something called a string, and a string is just a series of letters, numbers, or symbols. So an example of a string might be Jane 1980, for example. So if you have a large workbook, you might want to find a specific number in it, for example. And you can just type in, let's say we want to find that cell. I'm sure if we type in 19, we'll be able to find it. You will, however, want to select whether you just want to search your current sheet that you're on or the entire workbook. That's going to search through all your sheets. So we've searched for 19 and we've found it. If we want to replace that, we can use the Replace tab. So we're going to replace the 1980 with, let's replace 1980 with 1975. And we'll do Replace. If you had it multiple locations within your workbook that you wanted to replace, you could select Replace All, and that would replace all of them. Something to note here is you might have an idea of how many you want to replace, and when you use Replace All, let's undo it. When you use Replace All, it will tell you how many replacements have been made, and you want to make sure that it's not too many, because if it's a really high number, that might be a sign that you've replaced things by accident when you didn't mean to. One replacement, that's what we're after, and it's good to go. Here's an interesting option that you should be familiar with. It's whether to look in formulas or to look in values. So let's say, for example, we had a formula that says something like 2 plus 3. The value is going to be 5, but we know that there's a 2 in there. So if we search for A2, but we search by values, we won't be able to find it. If we want to look in the formula, we'll select Look in Formulas, and we will be able to find it. There we go, it's taken us there.